Hey guys, this is Ash Ravens here. So for this video, I thought I would do something a bit different other than my guitar playing and my music stuff. So I've never done any unboxing video before, so I thought I'd give that a go, get my unboxing video virginity off. Yeah. So I just got this MSI laptop, and the reason I got this was because in the coming months I'll be doing some extensive traveling, and I thought I'd get a laptop that's kind of powerful enough to do a little bit of audio mixing, a little bit of video editing to keep my YouTube content going on, and some client work that I do for my clients doing music mixing and mastering. So it's not it's just something to take me over till I relocate somewhere else, and we'll be doing some videos in that regards. Right now I'm in Melbourne, Australia, but unfortunately a little sad that the time here is coming to an end. But you know, every ending is a new beginning, so we'll be relocating to another beautiful place very soon in a beautiful country. And yeah, so that's why I got the laptop, just to carry me over, and then we'll settle down there, get some new stuff going on. All right. Without further ado, let me get my unboxing virginity taken care of. So this is MSI laptop, comes in a nice cardboard box, obviously. So here we go. And I'm using this key, which is, it's proven that keys are better than knives. No, I'm kidding. It's just because I just have this lying down here. All right, here we go. And it's most likely going to be an unedited upload for the most part. So this is my first brush with this laptop, and we'll see what it is. All right, nicely, tightly packed. Okay, comes in this nice white box. I'll throw that one away. Ooh, it actually looks really cool. Beautiful MSI logo right over there, if you can see. Looks kind of like a Ferrari, but with a dragon, so better than a Ferrari, because Ferrari has a horse, this one has a dragon. All right, Daenerys agrees. Okay, it's got a bit of a handle over there, and let's take that one off. Okay, I guess you want to see what's in the box. And pardon me, I just got one camera, so we'll have to do. Nicely packed. So we'll take that one off first. Charger pack. We'll probably have to fast forward these sections. Cool. Nice charger. Ooh. It's actually kind of like the Apple chargers. That's very neat. Yeah, kind of like that. Kind of like those Apple chargers. Okay, we'll leave that over there. And now, comes with a manual. Who needs that? And then I'll be looking up online for problems that I'm gonna face because I just didn't read the manual. Don't lie, you do the same too. Don't you? Okay, cool. Taking off these foam things. Okay, nice, beautiful, whatchamacallit, plastic bag. Slides up nice and gently. I'm getting a beautiful feel just, would you say, just holding the laptop. It's super light. So I kind of forgot the model name. I'll read that out to you. Ooh, where did I keep my model name? Oh, there we go. So this is MSI Modern 15.6 inch FHD Core i5 laptop, and they gave me a wireless mouse as well with this. I'll unbox that later. Yeah, so that's this is a one Core i5. All right, and this is what it looks like. Oops, it's upside down. This is what it looks like. It's actually really nice and sleek. Look at that. Super sleek, yeah? So it's got 3 USB type A's, 1 USB type C, an HDMI port, and two USB type A's on this side as well. And that's it. Let's open that up. Ta-da! Look at that. Can I be a hand model someday? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe not. That's the keyboard. Ooh, goes quite flat. Does it go all the way? No, it doesn't go all the way. But it goes all the way flat like that. That's super sleek. That's amazing. All right, that's really cool. All right, I know what you want to see. You want to see this, don't you? Taking off these plastic thing. I don't know if you can, if that's too much glare. I'll do that. It's so cool. It's actually really beautiful. I'm very happy with this. Yeah. So this cost me in Australia, Melbourne right now, it cost me about $1,000 Australian. They're doing a sale right now. I think it retails around 1,499 Australian. I got it for 1,035. So that's a bargain. So it's got a Core i5. I believe it's got 512 SSD hard disk and 8 gigabytes of RAM. That's the major specs that you want to know about a laptop. And yeah, it looks super cool. I'm gonna put it on charge and then we'll see how it goes. And yeah, I might do a quick video on how this goes with music production stuff. So you know, whoever there's, if you guys do, I mean, a lot of you guys of my fan base does music production at home for your own stuff and singer-songwriter stuff. So this might be something you might want to look at if you want a portable solution. That was all, guys. That was my first unboxing videos. I hope you guys liked it, and I just want to take a quick moment to really thank you guys a lot, because I've seen a recent I'm building my YouTube community, and you guys, a lot of you have subscribed very recently to my channel, and we are getting to know each other, and I love the whole community that we are building. And I love all of your support. You guys have shown me so much love. You've given me so many good feedback of my music and my guitar playing. It's really humbling, and I mean, I'm super happy about that. Some of you took the trouble to go check out my music in Spotify and other places that I do music. I'm on Instagram as well. So everybody who's done that extra amount of effort to go check it out in Spotify, my albums, I've got an instrumental album there. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much for that. I've got new stuff coming out very soon. I'll be doing another EP very soon, hopefully in 2021, if, you know, life goes well. You never know. But yeah, I just really want to thank all of you, and it means a lot to me, everybody who's commenting on my videos, with the recent support that I've gotten. It's just yeah, I'm really grateful. And that was all, guys. Thank you very much. And if you're wondering why I keep wearing these funny specs, that's just me. I just love them. Isn't that cool? Such a cool looking sunglasses. These this is traditional art from my country, Bangladesh. So all right, hope you enjoy. I'll be doing some other reviews of this MSI laptop very soon, hopefully. All right, ta-da, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.